Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, I'd like to say a big old fat welcome back and thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing will be by Outre in the style Herminia. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. outside. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Outre Herminia is part of Outre's melted hairline lace front wig. It has baby hairs. It has a pre-attached wide elastic band. I have Herminia in DR2 Creamy Toffee. So this is what the stock card looks like. Outre Herminia has heat resistant fiber. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Outre Herminia has soft, agey, transparent lace, 5-inch deep part. It has a completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. It has, as I said before, a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. It does come with natural baby hairs, and it has a redefined. It also has a Redesigned Comfort Air contour. And we have talked about the specs about the wig. Let's go ahead and get my 2, 3, 4 cents of what I like, dislike, and should you pick this wig up. So what I like about the wig, or of course off the bat, it is a great color. And again, I have DR2 Creamy Toffee. DR2 Creamy Toffee. It is a great transition from summer to fall. See, it's not too bright of a, it doesn't have too bright of a blonde. It's a natural blonde color. Very beautiful. It has just enough where it also shows you the darker brown, which is a great transition color into fall. So great transition wig. It is beginner friendly. It is beginner friendly. Like right here is puffing up because it has a lot of space. Beginner friendly. It did come with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. And it did come with the natural 5-inch deep part right here. And of course, you already know with Outre, I always complain about their flyaways. This one wasn't that bad, but it still had flyaways. I don't think I could get away from flyaways. So I just need to stop saying that I don't think I could get away from flyaways with synthetic wigs, just because I am assuming how they make it in bulk. I don't know. But whatever, I need to stop complaining about it. But it does come with flyaways. It's not a lot as the other Outre wigs that I have reviewed, but it does have some. So I figured I should let you guys know that it is hot. Even if it's not that long, it looks like it's about maybe 12 to 14 inches, maybe about 16. but it is very hot, okay? Very, very hot. So maybe when it gets a little bit cooler, it'll be a perfect wig, but for right now, it's a little bit hot on me. What else? I think that's about it. It does take heat beautifully. It does hold the curls. As you can see, I did put some, I redefined the curls in the front, so, and I didn't use any kind of hairspray to hold it, and it did hold the curls up nicely, just beautifully. So with that being said, I would give this wig 8 out of 10. Beautiful color, beautiful transition wig from summer to fall. It, you know, it's just beautiful, and it's beginner friendly and bigot friendly. What else could you ask for? I mean, I know you could ask for no flyaways, but let's be realistic. It's a synthetic wig, they're gonna have flyaways. But yeah, 8 out of 10. So good job, Outre. Thank you for bringing us these fabulous wigs. Keep it coming. Give you a 360 of the wig Herminia. Outre Herminia also tangles. Yep, it does tangle. So 2 downsides of Outre Herminia: it sheds and it tangles at the nape area. And it's hot, so 3 negatives. So maybe I should give it a 7 out of 10 versus an 8, because 8 would be taking off 2 points. But you know what? Let's leave it at 8. But yeah, it's a very beautiful wig. You got to the end of the video and this is something that resonates with you. You love watching wigs, you love watching wig reviews, you just want to know what's coming up next from these wig companies, synthetic or human hair companies. Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, leave a like, and let me know what you like, dislike, or what you would change about the review. I do appreciate you watching my video, and I like to say a big old thank you. And again, my name is Auntie Titi, and welcome to Beauty Through Your Eyes. Bye guys.